Jasmy is looking much stronger as compared to the other days, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again. I'm going to be showing you some charts, some indicators which I think are showing us some really good signs of relief for Jasmy for the immediate short term. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I personally believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. This came in at a price of about 0.0027, and from this price target we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, and right now we are in this wave number 3. Now guys, in my past videos I've repeated this as well. I personally do believe that in this third wave we are not going to be seeing like an upwards movement in a straight line, but instead we are going to be seeing 5 waves towards the upside. So you can say we pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, we pumped up in a wave number 3, and right now we are dropping in wave number 4. Now guys, this major fall in price, as you can see these two candles which resulted in this huge loss for all the short-term investors out there, is basically because of some bearish news which we heard from Jasmy and from Binance as well. Binance was the major contributor of this news because they said that they are going to be putting Jasmy inside the innovation zone, and a lot of people thought that they are basically delisting Jasmy, which is not really the case at all. Right now you can see we have two blue lines right over here which mark the resistance level as well as the support level. Now the resistance level which we have to break is located around the wave 1 high at a price of about 0.0083. The bottom, or say the support, is located around a price of about 0.0043, and this was the second wave low. Now guys, in my past videos as well I've communicated this to you all. I personally do believe that if we had to see a fall towards the downside, we would have broken through this barrier and towards the downside below this wave number 2. However guys, that did not really happen at all, and instead what we are seeing is a quick bounce back from this important support area, which is really good to see for Jasmy for the immediate shorter time frames. Now my price target for Jasmy still practically is the same. I personally do believe we should be reaching around a price of about 0.010 in the immediate short term, and in the coming months we should also be seeing a price of about 0.012. This has been my target for Jasmy for the longest time now, and I do believe in due time we will be getting to them. Right over here, if I show you guys some of the indicators, they are showing us something really insane as well. Now even though the selling pressure is still getting weaker, but the rate it is getting weaker by is not really much substantial. As you can see, this was the buying pressure which we got before the selling pressure, and even if we add all of these candles up, you will still be able to see that the selling pressure is much larger. You know, it's basically like 3 to 4 times as compared to this buying pressure right over here, which is a really alarming news for Jasmy investors. But guys, I do believe that the selling pressure is getting weaker and weaker day by day, and more people are settling into the project after this news, and things are looking pretty good for the longer time frames, to be honest, and things are getting better for the short term time frames as well. If we check out the RSI is still practically in the bottom. The RSI is at about 35 on the RSI scale. This is still low, and the last time which we saw these levels was around the bear 2 low, or say the bear market low right over here. I do believe we should be seeing somewhat similar move than what we saw right over here, and that is the most likely scenario Jasmy will be following in the shorter time frames. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, I am building a tight community around people who are seriously invested into the crypto space and who are really passionate about making money within the space as well. I have decided to reduce the overall members of my trade signal group to just about like 25 or about 30 members. So right now only about 5 spots are remaining. So if you want to join up and if you want to be a part of a community, make sure guys sign up as soon as possible and join up, because in my trade signal group we are profiting every single day, we are growing our money, and that is the primary objective behind my trade signal group. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Jasmy update video. Peace out.